Keep listening to English every single day helps improve your understanding and speaking naturally. It trains your ears to recognize words, sounds, and phrases. Daily practice builds confidence, vocabulary, and fluency. Stay patient and consistent. The more you listen, the more confident you'll become in speaking and understanding English fluently. I always want to spend my life with my family. I love my family. My family is very important to me. They are the people who care about me, help me, and love me. Every day, I feel happy when I am with them. I always want to spend my life with my family because they make me feel safe and loved. When I wake up in the morning, I see my family. My mother is usually in the kitchen, making breakfast. She smiles at me and asks me how I slept. My father is reading the news or drinking tea. Sometimes my brother or sister is still sleeping. These little moments make me happy. They are simple, but they are special. Spending time with my family is something I always enjoy. We talk, laugh, and share stories. We tell each other about our day. We listen when someone has a problem. We celebrate birthdays together. We eat meals together. We even watch movies together. These moments are the best part of my life. I think family is like a strong tree. The roots are deep in the ground. The roots give strength and support. The branches grow, but they are always connected to the roots. My family is like those roots for me. They help me grow, but they also give me strength and love. When I have a problem, my family is there for me. If I feel sad, they comfort me. If I feel tired, they encourage me. If I make a mistake, they forgive me. No matter what happens, they do not leave me. I know that I can always count on them. That is why I want to spend my whole life with them. I also want to give love to my family. I want to help my parents when they are tired. I want to be there for my brother or sister when they need me. I want to share good times and bad times with them. Life is not always easy, but with family, it becomes better. Sometimes people have to live far away from their family. They may go to another city or another country for work or study. I understand that life can be like that, but I hope that no matter where I am, I can still stay close to my family in my heart. We can call each other, send messages, and visit when possible. Even if we are far apart, love can keep us together. Family also teaches me values. They teach me to be kind, honest, and respectful. They show me how to be patient and how to work hard. They remind me to be thankful for what I have. These lessons are important for life. They help me become a better person. Holidays are special times for my family. We decorate the house, cook special food, and invite relatives. We take photos, play games, and enjoy being together. These happy memories stay in my heart forever. I know that one day I will grow older. I may have my own family, but I will still love my parents, my brothers, and my sisters. I will visit them, help them, and share my life with them. I want my children to know their grandparents and to love them too. I know that one day I will grow older. I may have my own family, but I will still love my parents, my brothers, and my sisters. I will visit them, help them, and share my life with them. I want my children to know their grandparents and to love them too. Life is short, and we cannot always be with the people we love. That is why I want to spend as much time as I can with my family now. I do not want to waste these precious moments. Some people think that success is about money or fame. For me, success is about love and relationships. If I have my family with me, I feel rich in my heart. I do not need much else. My dream is simple. I want to have meals together every day. I want to share laughter in the living room. I want to help each other in times of need. I want to celebrate big and small events together. I want to travel together and see the world as a family. Even when we argue, I still love my family. Arguments happen because we care about each other. After a little time, we forgive each other and become close again. This is what makes family special. In the future, I want to create more memories with my family. I want to go on picnics, visit new places, and take many photos together. I want to tell them how much I love them. I do not want to regret not saying I love you enough. Spending my life with my family is not only about living in the same house. It is about sharing our hearts, our time, and our dreams. It is about being together in spirit, even if we are apart. It is about giving and receiving love every day. When I imagine my future, I always see my family in it. I see my parents smiling. I see my siblings laughing. I see us sitting together, talking about life. This picture in my mind gives me peace and hope. No matter what happens in the world, my family will always be my home. A home is not just a place. A home is where you feel safe, loved, and understood. For me, my family is my true home. I am thankful every day for my family. I know not everyone has the chance to grow up in a loving family. That is why I appreciate them so much. I do not take them for granted. If I could choose anything in life, I would choose to stay close to my family forever. I want to grow old with them. I want to support them as they have supported me. I want to share joy, laughter, and love for as long as we live. In the end, when I look back on my life, I do not want to count the things I bought or the places I went. I want to remember the faces of my family, the sound of their voices, and the warmth of their hugs. That is why I will always want to spend my life with my family. My family is like my heart. Without them, life would feel empty. Every day, I think about how lucky I am to have a family that loves me. I always want to spend my life with them because they give me happiness, comfort, and strength. When I sit at the dinner table with my family, I feel peaceful. We do not need expensive food to be happy. Even a simple meal becomes special because we are together. Sometimes my mother cooks my favorite dish. Sometimes my father tells a funny story. Sometimes my brother or sister jokes with me. We laugh so much at the table, and I never forget these moments. Family time is not always about big celebrations. It is about small, everyday things. For example, walking to the market with my mom, watching TV with my dad, or helping my brother with homework. These little actions show love. They may seem simple, but they make life beautiful. I also enjoy family trips. When we travel together, we create happy memories. We take pictures, try new foods, and see new places. Even if we get tired, we enjoy being together. I think traveling with family is more fun than traveling alone. Because with family, we can share every new experience. My parents are my biggest support. They work hard every day to give us a good life. They wake up early, go to work, and still take care of the house. Sometimes they are tired, but they never stop loving us. That is why I respect them so much. I want to spend my life with them and give back the love they have given me. When I feel weak, my family gives me strength. If I fail at something, they encourage me. If I feel scared, they protect me. If I am sick, they take care of me. Their love is like a shield around me. With them, I do not feel alone. I also think about the future. One day, my parents will grow old. I want to be there for them, just like they were there for me when I was small. I want to help them with their needs, comfort them, and make them proud. Spending my life with my family also means being responsible for them. My siblings are also very important to me. Sometimes we argue, but deep down we love each other. When I am in trouble, they defend me. When they need help, I try to support them. Brothers and sisters are like best friends that God gives us. We may fight, but we always come back together. That is why I cannot imagine my life without them. Special days with family are unforgettable. For example, birthdays, New Year, or festivals. We decorate the house, prepare food, and celebrate with joy. These traditions bring us closer. They remind us that family love is stronger than anything. Even ordinary days can be special when I am with my family. Sitting together, drinking tea, talking about the day. These are the moments I treasure. Sometimes we do not even need to talk. Just sitting near each other is enough. That is the power of family love. Some people run after money, fame, or success, but they forget their family. I do not want to live like that. I believe real happiness comes from relationships, not from things. If I lose everything but still have my family, I will still feel rich. When I think about my future, I see myself still close to my family. Maybe I will get married and have children, but I will always visit my parents, take care of them, and share my life with them. My dream is to build a home where everyone feels welcome, a place where love never ends. Sometimes I ask myself, what would life be without family? The answer is simple. It would be lonely and sad. Friends are important, but family is forever. Friends may change, but family is always there. That is why I choose family above everything. I want to grow old with my family. I want to see my siblings become successful. I want to see my parents smile with pride. I want to see my children play with their grandparents. These are the dreams that make me want to live my whole life with family. I also want to say thank you to my family more often. Sometimes we forget to express love. We think our family knows how we feel. But I believe it is important to say it out loud. Words like I love you and thank you can make the heart warm. I do not want to miss any chance to show my love. Life is uncertain. We never know what will happen tomorrow. That is why I want to spend every day with my family meaningfully. I do not want to regret losing time. I want to live with love, patience, and kindness for them. To me, family is not only blood relatives. Family is also about the people who stay with you, care for you, and accept you. Some friends can become like family, but my parents and siblings are my first and strongest family. In the end, I know that the greatest gift in my life is my family. I will protect this gift. I will hold it close. I will always want to spend my life with my family because nothing else can replace them.